close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So the lash that I'll be using today is from my lash line on Instagram, Monique_luxurious_beauty. The lash that I'm using is more on the simpler end, but if you want like 25mm, I got you, girl. So what's the tweezer or a lash applicator, sis? I don't use it. So I love to use hair glue on my lashes, and then I blow it for like 30 seconds before, or flash it for like 30 seconds. Then I start to apply it. Now guys, the key is to, for me at least, to apply it in the middle first, then hold down the outer section, then press in the inner section after, and then kind of straighten it if you realize like it needs straightening. And that's all I do. No fancy shmang, no fancy nothing. So let me know what you think about my application, and also definitely tell me how you apply yours, and light up this comment section, guys. Let's have a whole convo, and also let me know what you love to see next on my channel. Look at that, guys. You see the difference lash make with your look? Like, look at it. So after that, I'm just using a purple eyeliner, and I'm just lining my eyes